Right now, as schools work to finalize their plans, parents are trying to decide the best option for their kids. News 6's Carolina Cardona continues our team coverage tonight. She spoke to a Seminole County mom about how she plans to get results for her kids.
There's just so much going on about, is it safe? Is it not safe?
Cindy Sosa is struggling with having to send back her two younger children to Layer Elementary School in Seminole County.
I would like to have some type of plan, maybe for them to go to school, like in person, more limited, like maybe once or twice a week. The quality of their learning and having a classroom, having that structure and having the teacher right in front of them. I do think it doesn't compare to learning remote.
She says working from home and having her kids do distance learning was a lot to handle. Although she hopes they can go back to school, the mother of four worries what that will look like.
It's stressful, but at the same time, when you have to prioritize the health of the children and, they're not necessarily as disciplined as adults are, and even adults are not as disciplined about wearing their mask or staying 6 feet away. So how do you implement that at an elementary school level?
As for making face coverings mandatory, she's all for it.
I would not be opposed to face masks being mandatory. I think it's going to be challenging. I know some teachers are going to have to enforce, or the kids may cry, I don't want to wear it, or it's uncomfortable. I mean, all these things can come about.
Cindy hopes if the district decides to return to traditional face-to-face learning, it will be based on the number of COVID-19 cases reported next month and the government's response if the surge continues.
We can come up with so many different plans, but we have to be realistic about the children and what we're dealing with.
In Orlando, Carolina Cardona, News 6.